The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He leadeth me down the green pastures by the still waters. He restores my soul. His name is righteousness. Though I walk through the valley of death, I fear no evil, for thy rod and thy staff comfort me. For thy rod and thy staff comfort me. He's preparing a table for you. Prepare your hearts before him, and before thine enemies make known the way of the Lord. Surely goodness and kindness follow for all days, and I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever. And I shall dwell in the house of the Lord forever.